Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get your bank statement on FNB. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FNB account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on FNB? Pretty simple. Launch on the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type fnb.co.za and that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time. Okay, so from this homepage, you can head over to the top corner and click on register. And once you click on register, you just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account, I'm going to show you what next to do to get your bank statement on FNB. So once you log in and you create your account, here's what you should do. With email statements, you get your statement faster than paper statements. Now you can download, save, and print your statements. FNB has also installed security measures to protect your information. Now, this is a free service that can easily be activated from your online banking profile in 4 easy steps. So number one, once you log in, go ahead from your homepage, your FNB homepage, and select My Bank Account. Now, after selecting My Bank Account, the next thing that you're going to have to select is Menu. So click on Menu, and once you click on Menu, the next step is to click on Email Statements and click on Statements under Email Statements. Let's go over the process again. Click on My Bank Account from your homepage, select Menu, select Email Statements, and just right under Email Statements, go ahead and select Statements. Then select the appropriate account of which you require the statement to be delivered to you via email. Then once you select the account, enter the primary email address to which you like the statement to be sent. Once you do that and you ensure that the details are correct, go ahead and select the format you would prefer to receive your statement in plain text, which includes CSV, PDF, or both. Account dependent, by the way. That means it's dependent on the account. That's the file that your account sends to you. So the next is, what email statements offer me? Now, easy to store. Now, you can keep the email statements safely on your PC until they are required, and then easy to file. It is easier to file an electronic statement than a paper statement, and it's more secure. Email statements are more secure than paper statements, as paper statement can be lost, and the statement is encrypted and cannot be tampered with. So again, click on My Bank Account from your homepage, select Menu, select Email Statements, select Statements under Email Statements, select the account, enter your primary email address, and select the format you prefer to receive your statement in, and this is dependent on your account. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.